Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the portfolio. Right now, I'm going to go over some stocks that I'm looking at and some price targets that I'm willing to put a lot of money into some of these stocks. So let's go over them. It's a pretty long list of stocks that I'm looking at. First one that I'm actually looking at that I'm interested to add into the portfolio is Nvidia. A price target that I'm looking at to maybe add some shares in is at 195. Obviously, we're below that. And if we can continue to go down, I would like to see this one go down all the way to as low as $167. So if we can get to this price range right here, I would be buying a lot of shares into Nvidia. Those are the two price targets. Maybe I'll start adding some Nvidia as soon as the market opens on Monday, whether or not it's red. If it's a red day for Nvidia and it goes down even lower, then I'll slowly start adding some to this one. The next one we have is on my list is Palantir. Palantir is another one that I'm interested in adding some shares in. My first price target, obviously, I bought some. I was buying some at 127. I think that was a good opportunity to buy. But now, since we have broken past that support, the next opportunity to load up a lot of shares is at about under $100. So $97 is what I'm looking to add some good amount of money into Palantir. Maybe another couple $1,000s into this would be cool. Next one that I'm looking to add a decent amount of money is into Meta. Oop, wrong one, sorry. Meta. I'm looking to add into Meta at 520-ish dollar range. If we can get into that range, that would be good. And if it goes even lower than that, the next price target that I'm looking to add a lot of shares in, if we can go under 520, if it can goes into 450, that will be a good opportunity to buy a lot of shares into Meta. I think this one's a good one for the long term. The next one that I'm also looking at is Amazon. So Amazon, a price target that I would like to add a lot of shares in is in the 200 under $210 range. If it can go from 200 under $200 around here, that's the price I would like to get a lot of shares in Amazon. And then we have Robinhood, another one that I have in my portfolio. I would obviously like this one to go down into the $70 range. If we can get to under $70, that would be a very good opportunity to buy. I don't know if we'll get back down there, but that is where I would like to load the boat on Hood. Next one is Shopify. If we can get some Shopify at $95. If we can get Shopify at about $95, that would be a good opportunity there. Another one here that I would like to load the boat in which I have a big position in already, is SoFi. But if it's SoFi, I've been telling you guys, if SoFi can get to $15 again, I will buy even some more of SoFi. I'll probably add another 100, 200 shares. Keep lowering my cost basis on this one. I think SoFi is a good one for the long term. Next is Elf. Elf Beauty. If Elf can get back to $50 range, it'll be nice, but it already had a pretty big run up 37% from the lowest point. So if it can get even to the 60s, I'll probably add some shares. So if we can get under 60, if anything under 50, under $60 is a good buy for the long term. Then another one that I like is Celsius. I like these two because I work at Amazon, right? In an Amazon warehouse, and I see lots of people buying Celsius, like the 12-pack of Celsius, and I see a lot of people buying Elf Beauty products all the time, man. I always am picking out orders, and I see everyone ordering these two things. But Celsius, I think Celsius at $28 or less, and that is a good buy. And we're basically at it right now, so Celsius is a good buy right now at current levels. Next one is Microsoft. Microsoft for the long term. $350 is a good opportunity to buy Microsoft. That we were just at that range this week, so Microsoft was a good one to buy at $350. Another one that I like, Salesforce. So Salesforce, I like this one. What is CRM? Like this one at the current levels. If we can get it under 150, that would be a very good opportunity to buy, I think, for the long term. And last but not least is ServiceNow. ServiceNow is another one that I like. If you can get this one under $90, I think this is also another stock that you would like to hold for the long term. Now you'll make lots of money on these ones. So that's the main list I have. Nvidia, Palantir, Meta, Amazon, Robinhood, Shopify, SoFi, Elf, Celsius, Microsoft, Salesforce, and ServiceNow. All those with price targets in which I would like to buy as much shares as possible. If we see some more red and we see these stocks even lower than those prices, I think anything under those prices that I mentioned in this video is great opportunity to buy as much shares as possible and just hold for the long term. I think when the market starts shifting from chip stocks and memory stocks and they start selling off those and start putting into all these ones are going to perform very well, and they'll probably go on a 1-2 year bull run in which will make a lot of money. So make your money now from your chip stocks and your memory stocks, and then whenever you take profits a little bit here and there and slowly start adding into these positions, you'll make a lot of money for the next run on in these stocks. Yeah.